BuVortex skimmer. So you can see on the top, it basically goes around your pool and skims. It's pulling everything into this basket here. It gets power in with this little port there. And it has an app, so you can control it on your phone. It's got 2 cleaning modes. This is the cleaning mode where it just goes around your pool, skims it, pulls into that filter or into that filter box. And then it has a corner mode where it'll just basically sit in a corner and run continuously and basically skim the top of your pool. If you want to look, we can look at it. I'll pull this out. You can see what the filter has collected. It's very simple to take apart. We have bugs, leaves, pine needles. It even has a fine filter right here. Okay, so if I want to put it back together, it's actually very simple. Put everything back in, put everything back in. It's already on because it was in the pool. And we'll put it back in and it'll automatically turn on because it knows it's in the pool. And skim. That's it.